What's up YouTube, Crafty Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now, if you missed out on the last video, you would have seen I took my B16 block and we shipped it out, so we're not going to be working on that thing for probably like 8 to 10 weeks now. And I would like to continue working on the transmission, but I'm still waiting on my Integra LS 5th gear. I gave the guys at Swap Shop Racing a call, and they told me that it might be a little bit longer, so that's alright, we got more stuff to do. Today I think I'm going to be pulling apart the interior on the Civic. And I think the main thing I want to get done is get the carpet out of here. It's still got the factory gray carpet, and it's something like over 25 years old now, 24, 25 years old. Something like that. And yeah, it's got to go. So I'm going to be showing you, I suppose, how to remove the carpet out of your EK 96 to 2000 on a Civic. So stay tuned. So for those of you who haven't seen the interior of the car yet, this is what it looks like. I still have the factory gray carpet in here, and I'm thinking about eventually switching over the entire interior to black. Although I don't know if that's a good idea because this car doesn't have AC, and you know how black cars get in the summer. But I got kind of like a rear seat delete going on there where I just took a piece of plywood, cut it to shape, and wrapped it in carpet. Then, you know, Sparco seats, regular Civic, manual, center console and everything, Sparco wheel, the works, and yeah, like you see, I painted that black, and this car used to be an automatic, so I had to pick up a manual center console with the shift boot and everything. But yeah, basically, first thing I'm gonna do is probably take out the center console because I've got all the bolts and everything already removed and ready to go. So suppose I just pull this out real quick here. And then gotta take out these seats, so that's probably next on the list. So the seats usually come out pretty easy. It's just 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back for both the seats. There's the front ones. And it looks like the ones on the inside corners, like that one, are going to take a little bit more finessing. Try to be careful not to strip that one because it is at a weird angle. There we go. Passenger seat's ready to come out. Just got to do the same thing to the rear of the driver's seat, and we'll have both these seats out in no time. Seatbelt connection. This gotta look weird. Disconnect that. Alright, next step, I'm gonna remove these seat belts here, at least the base of them. If you slide up this plastic here, you got these 14mm bolts. Same thing on either side. Alright, so now I'm just going to go around. Everywhere where you see the carpet kind of slide underneath these plastic panels, those panels have to be removed. Now luckily, none of these panels are bolt in, they'll just have plastic clips holding them in. So you just got to go around, kind of reach underneath them, and if you can't get your fingers underneath, you could use like they got like special plastic pry tools, otherwise you can just use a flathead screwdriver. And yeah, so all these panels around here got to go, and then the only thing we do have to unbolt is that footrest and the footwell right there. So let's get to it. every once in a while you run into a clip like this. These are like, I think they're arbor style clips because they look like a little Christmas tree. And these are a pain in the ass. If you have a panel popping tool, they're a little easier to pull out. But I find the best method is just to get an edge pried up with a flathead screwdriver, then just take a pliers, get a grip on it, and yank that bitch out. Alright, so now that we got both the sides removed, I'm ready to take off the rear here. I just gotta lift up my panel. And you can see, you got these 3 clips. Just gotta pull up on those. Sometimes you can actually slide the carpet around the clips. You don't even have to take the clips off. It's like one of those times. Pull all this forward. Pull it around the e-brake and everything. Now, other than that footrest, the carpet is actually connected in a couple thin spots behind the center console. I'm just gonna go ahead and split those with the scissors or razor blade or something, just because it's always hidden, and when you go to put the carpet back in, it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to remove all these brackets and everything like that, as well as like the airbag assist and everything like that. So it's just gonna make it simpler for me just to cut the fabric that connects the 2 halves of the car. There we go. Jeez. Ow, fuck. This footrest should be the last thing. A couple 10 mils. Oh, that's disgusting. A lot of dust. But there she is. All right, let's pull this carpet out. Alrighty, so there you have it. We got the Civic gutted out, and oh my god, does it look crusty in here. There is so much just sand and dirt and pocket lint and human slime hanging out in here, so glad we got it gutted out because it gives me a chance to give it a nice deep clean. Now, I say it looks disgusting, but the track guys are probably like, what, it looks perfect in there. And yeah, here's kind of the rest of it, just all laid out. Wasn't too bad. In total, it probably took like 30-45 minutes. And I was taking my time, being careful, because last thing you want to do is break all the plastic clips and then your interior rattles like crazy, so don't want that. So there you have it. That's how you safely remove the carpet out of your EK Civic. And I'm sure the process is really similar for like the EG or the Integra. So if you're watching this video as a tutorial, hopefully it helped you out. As far as my subscribers, not really sure my new plan for what I'm gonna do for the carpet in the car. I've been looking at the carpet kits. You get like brand new black carpet, brand new red carpet. But I've also seen a lot of guys take the factory carpet, give it a really deep clean, and they'll dye it. Like I could dye that straight black, and a lot of times it turns out really nice, and you got the benefit of having the OEM moldings and all the OEM cutouts and everything. So I could literally clean it up, dye it, throw it right back in the car, and it'll fit just like it used to. So yeah, that's always an option too, but I'll be sure to let you guys know in the next episode. Leave a comment down below what you guys think, if you have any opinions on that, as well as channel updates. Man, oh man, Gideon's got a huge update for next this coming Friday, actually, our next episode. I won't spoil much, but yeah, you're not gonna want to miss that. And Super Clean's helping us out again, so we're gonna be doing a Super Clean giveaway pretty soon. I'll tell you more about that next Tuesday. And we're getting really close to 600 subscribers, so we're probably gonna do the giveaway for 600 subscribers. And then once we reach 690 subscribers, we're gonna do another 690 subscriber special, where me and Gideon are probably gonna go live again, talk to you guys, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for tagging along. Thanks again for tuning in to Crafting Cars. See you next time. Bye.